Hello, my name is Hugo.
And we were the MCs of today's Science Week. And today we are interviewing the first place winners. So, how do you feel after winning the first place?
I feel excited and happy.
Happy too.
That's great. Hugo, can you ask them the next question?
What is this costume?
Like NASA.
It's an astronaut costume. Astronaut.
So, what is your costume made out of?
It's made out of bubble wrap, some cardboard, and some plastic water
What
bottle.
Like trash bin like that.
Is there anybody you would like to thank for you winning?
Oh yes, I'd be grateful to thank Teacher Noon because she made us these costumes and it's very cool. I like it. Thanks to everyone.
What about you?
I need to thank you, teacher, because teacher make for me.
Okay, thank you. That's all we have for today.